Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Making Memories with Michelle. I'm Michelle Irene, and I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today, I have to confess. So yesterday, I went to CVS with a friend, and I found some of my favorite chocolates. The Ghirardelli dark chocolate mint chocolates were just calling to me. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to share them. I'm going to Onstage this weekend, and I need some table gifts for my table mates. So I bought a box of those chocolates, and I'm going to make some really quick treat holders. Are you ready? This has been around a while. Oh, and we're using the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set today from the 2019 holiday catalog. So this fold has been around a while, and I may even have done it with you before, but we're going to make a Diaper Fold Ghirardelli chocolate square pouch, and you need a 6x6 piece of paper. You're going to take your 6x6 piece of paper and fold it diagonally. This is the best thing because it's simple, it's quick, it packs a lot of wow, and it doesn't need any adhesive. All right, so fold it into a triangle, and then you're going to take this front flap and fold it down about 2 inches. Okay, so just eyeball it. And use your bone folder and make nice crisp edges so that it lays flat. Okay, then I'm going to turn that back up, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it right up against the score line there. And I'm going to take this edge and do it again. Okay, and this folds in, and then this front piece folds over just like that. And I'm going to take one of my chocolates, and it's just going to slide right in like that. Now, you know I couldn't let that go without a little bit of stamping. So I have some ovals from the Layering Ovals dies and some cherry cobbler, and I have this teeny tiny itty bitty Christmas, it says "Oh what yum," and I'm just going to stamp that right in the center of my oval. And I have some snail here, and I'm just going to layer these. Here. And then some of these gold enamel dots from the Christmas Time Is Here product suite. I love these. These are so pretty. All right. And then I have some dimensionals laying around here somewhere. Truly, I did. That's right, I have some baby ones, so we'll use some baby ones on the back. It's okay. Ah, goodness. There you have it. That's quick and simple, and I'll bet I can make a bunch of those before I have to leave on Friday morning. Thanks so much for watching. All measurements and product information can be found on my blog at www.makingmemorieswithmichelle.com. Have a great day. Bye.